Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Bodum Brazil French press coffee maker stands as a testament to the idea that some designs do not need significant changes over time to remain effective. This specific model with its 34-ounce capacity is often considered the standard size for home use, providing a balance between portability and volume. It is manufactured in Portugal, which is a detail many consumers look for as a sign of consistent manufacturing standards in the European tradition. The Brazil model was originally designed in the 1980s and it carries a minimalist aesthetic that focuses on functionality above all else. By using a simple immersion brewing method, this device allows for a full extraction of the coffee bean profile, which is why it has remained a staple in kitchens around the world. It serves as an accessible entry point for those who want to move away from the automated nature of drip machines and take a more active role in how their coffee is prepared. The 34-ounce volume is particularly useful because it translates to roughly 1 liter of liquid, which is generally sufficient for serving 2 or 3 people during a morning routine or for an individual who prefers several cups throughout the early hours of the day. Looking at the construction, the most critical component is the carafe made from borosilicate glass. This specific type of glass is chosen for its unique properties, including a high resistance to thermal shock. This means it can handle the transition from room temperature to boiling water without the risk of cracking, which is an essential safety feature for any manual brewer. Beyond its durability, the glass is non-porous and entirely taste neutral. It will not absorb odors or stains over time, which ensures that the flavor of the coffee remains pure and untainted by previous batches. The carafe is encased in a frame made from BPA-free plastic, which serves multiple purposes. It provides a protective layer that keeps the glass from making direct contact with surfaces, and it forms a heat-resistant handle that allows for a secure and comfortable grip while pouring. The plunger mechanism is made of stainless steel and features a fine mesh filter that is held in place by a spiral spring. This spring ensures the filter stays flush against the glass walls to prevent grounds from escaping into the final brew. The lid is also made of heat-resistant plastic and features a closure that helps retain heat while the coffee steeps. In terms of performance, the French press uses an immersion brewing method, which is fundamentally different from the percolation used in standard drip machines. In this process, the coffee grounds are fully submerged in hot water for the entire duration of the brew, which usually lasts around 4 minutes. This allows for a more uniform and thorough extraction of the coffee oils and aromatic compounds. Because the stainless steel mesh filter is much more porous than a paper filter, it allows the natural oils from the coffee beans to pass through into the final cup. This results in a brew with a heavier body and a more robust mouthfeel that many coffee enthusiasts prefer. The performance of the Brazil model relies heavily on the user employing a coarse grind size. Using a coarse grind is important because it prevents the filter from clogging and ensures that the coffee does not become over-extracted or bitter. This method puts the control in the hands of the user, allowing for adjustments in water temperature and steeping time to suit personal preferences. It is a reliable system because there are no electronic parts to fail, and the simplicity of the design makes it easy to maintain and clean after each use. This particular coffee maker is best suited for individuals who appreciate a bold and textured cup of coffee and want a brewing process that is easy to manage without a steep learning curve. It is an ideal choice for those who are just beginning to explore manual brewing because the upfront cost is relatively low at approximately $20. Given the 34-ounce capacity, it serves well for households where multiple people drink coffee in the morning or for an individual who wants to brew a larger batch at once. It also appeals to those who are looking to reduce their environmental footprint, since the French press does not require paper filters or plastic pods, which reduces daily waste. People who have limited counter space or who prefer a minimalist kitchen setup will find the compact and self-contained design useful. It is also a practical option for those who travel or go camping, as it is lightweight and does not require electricity to function. It is a straightforward tool for anyone who values a functional design over ornate aesthetics and wants a device that does exactly what it promises without unnecessary features or complex settings. Ultimately, the Bodum Brazil remains a prominent choice in the world of coffee because it balances affordability with effective design and reliable materials. While the borosilicate glass is durable, it is still glass and requires careful handling during cleaning or storage to avoid accidental breakage. The plastic frame is functional and lightweight, providing a modern look that fits into most kitchen decors, although it does not have the same heavy feel as metal alternatives. However, for those looking for a reliable way to brew a full-bodied cup of coffee at a price point that is accessible, the Brazil model offers a clear and honest value. It provides a consistent brewing experience that focuses on the quality of the coffee itself and the simplicity of the ritual. By sticking to the basics of heat and immersion, it delivers a cup of coffee that highlights the unique characteristics of the beans being used, making it a sensible and enduring addition to most homes. For roughly $20, it provides a long-term solution for quality coffee that stands up well against more expensive and complicated brewing systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.